German audio equipment manufacturer Sennheiser has just announced the Momentum True Wireless 5, successor to the True Wireless 4 earbuds launched back in 2024. Following a 2-year gap, it's natural to expect improvements in audio and connectivity. However, the new pair features a truly unique selling point. For the first time in a Sennheiser earbud, you can replace the battery yourself. The industry trend is that most true wireless earbuds glue their batteries in place, so once the cells degrade, you're stuck buying a whole new pair. Sennheiser is doing the complete opposite with the True Wireless 5. Both the earbuds and the charging case now use a design you can take apart with a small screwdriver, no adhesive layers to fight through. So when the battery finally fades, you can replace it instead of the entire device. You get real upgrades everywhere else too. The battery life has jumped from 7.5 hours to 12 hours per charge, and the Momentum True Wireless 4's 30-hour total case life grows to 40 hours here, helped by a thinner case that still supports Qi wireless charging. Sennheiser also reworked the ear tips and tuned the adaptive noise cancellation further, and a 4-microphone array handles both noise cancellation and a more natural transparency mode when you need to hear what's around you. On the audio side, you get Dolby Atmos and Spatial audio support, plus interactive head tracking for a more immersive listen. Bluetooth 6.0 connectivity comes with a new, robust mode for crowded, high-interference spots like train platforms or packed offices, so your connection should hold up better than before. The Momentum True Wireless 5 is available in lavender purple, copper, denim blue, graphite, and cream, all in a metallic finish. It goes on sale from September 3rd at $299.95, the same launch price as its predecessor. Right to repair earbuds are still rare. Fairphone tried something similar with the Fairbuds, and Google added a replaceable case battery to the Pixel Buds 2a, but a flagship tier pair built around full user repairability from a major audio brand is still new territory.